How to use Cash App if you don't have a debit card. So you don't really need a debit card to use Cash App. I'm going to show you what you have to do. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner, and then you have to go to linked banks. So here you will obviously see the option to link a debit card, but if we click on it, you will see this other option that says no card. So from here, basically, you can select your bank and link them. So you can directly link your bank account. If we click on continue, it will show us a list of the most popular institutions, and you have to click on them to link them. If you don't see your institution here or bank, you can just search for it. So for example, let's do Dave, and as you can see, we have dave.com right here, and didn't show in the previous screen. So basically, if you want to link your bank account, you click on it and it will ask you to log into your, in this case, Dave account through Cash App, and it will just ask you to authorize your accounts or link them together. So once you have logged in and authorized right here, then you will have successfully linked your bank account to Cash App, and now you can link or use Cash App as you would normally without a debit card. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.